fought with this thing like hell, so I'm gonna try and be as clear as possible. This vent goes on first, that way, facing that way. Then these little corners go on. They're a tight fit. You have to push on this end and then pull on this part of the fender. Pull it back towards you while pushing it. What else? You gotta put in a screw here on each side. Make sure these clips are in all the way. Make sure all your clips are in all the way, because I did have my DRL lights that's currently on the car right now. I did have those fly off on a highway going at a high speed, so make sure all your clips are in. After that, I put in longer screws and I didn't have any problems at all. So I'm going to go to AutoZone and get longer screws for these screws, and then this gets shoved in underneath this square part that basically gets pushed in behind this grill right here. Then you shove this in. I don't know, I could probably pull it, see? I could pull it out. You shove it in. It's supposed to keep it in place and push everything out towards the clips, like these little clips right here, so everything fits flush. And then under the bottom here, you clip it to the bumper.